guys, what's up? Today I'm here with RPG. Yay! Today I'm here with RPGHair. Been a minute, but you guys know I still rock with them. Same packaging as usual. If you guys are used to the other packaging, but no one are used to that one here. I'm gonna cut off some of the ear portion first because it's a bit too long, just a little bit. To make my swoops. I also forgot to show you that I got one more of these combs from them. These combs are always so handy. So this is what I'm gonna use and make my parting now.
Goodbye, my friend.
What?
Oh,
what?
yeah, the party here.
I'm breaking the party.
God damn, yeah, see, yeah, it's a magic comb that. Oh, no life here.
Guys, this hair is so pretty. You could go ahead and wear it just like this. It's so gorgeous. Okay, I'm so tempted to wear it like this, but I'm going to wet it up. I'm gonna get it wet and get that nice juicy curly look. so pretty. I'm all done. Just can't get used to all this gorgeous juiciness. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this. Let me know what you guys think about it now. Let me know what you guys think about it down below in the comment section. This wig is lovely. This is lovely. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Let me know if you liked it. Go ahead and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe as well, because the girl is consistent. Okay, this is a consistent queen right here. So yeah, yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.